Good morning, happy Sabbath. And with this opportunity, I've been wishing, even before I was elected as a superintendent, wini-wish ko talaga is to see more new faces on the pulpit or even on the stage. I am, of course, I'm not against those people who have been here always on the stage. Of course, it is a great, we are thankful that they have always this readiness and willingness to give the, or at least to give in to the requests of superintendents to participate in the Sabbath school. I understand that it's not easy to request people to come up here. Maraming hesitations tayo, diba? And that's what I wish. Sana we let go of those hesitations, especially in this new year, 2011. And let us give more to God, who really deserves the best of us. We are not serving anybody else but God. So, may request sana tayo to participate in any segment of the Sabbath school. We could willingly give in and give our wonderful yes. Never mind what yung mangyayari. God will willingly accept what you offer on that day because He loves us so much and He accepts the whole of us. That's it, and happy Sabbath.